It was past midnight when finally Arif looked away from his phone screen simply to realize that it's been hours he was scrolling through the reels, which was not even feeling real to him anymore. He was laying down and he found an old sketchbook which was laying down on the table, which he stopped using when the life became too noisy. He turned the first page and he saw his grandfather's writing. He wrote a shlok on the first page, which goes like Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. As in a sudden realization, he was chanting this again and again in his mind, and that is when he realized something which is very powerful, which we also should be doing every day. Asatoma Satgamaya means take me from unreal to real. The illusion that we have created around us through the screen, through the reels, it is an illusion. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Take me from the darkness to the light, the darkness which is around me, which I can call as my comfort zone. Take me out of it. Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Take me from the death to immortality. Death means the fear, the ego which is in me. Take me out of it. And then Arav turned the book and painted something after a very long time, and he felt refreshed. Why? Because this time he wasn't painting for validation, he wasn't painting for someone's appreciation, he did it for himself. So what is that one thing that you are going to do today that will make sure that you are not doing it for any appreciation or validation, you're doing it for yourself?